In this video, you'll learn about the help and support options available in Sage Sole Trader. As a free user, you have access to a range of self-service resources to help you get the most out of Sage Sole Trader. Help Center. Explore a comprehensive collection of step-by-step guides that walk you through key processes, from getting started to managing transactions and self-assessment resources. You can also search for the topic you need help with. Sage University. Watch how-to videos that break down essential features in an easy-to-follow format. You can also complete learning modules and earn badges to demonstrate your knowledge, helping you build confidence in using the software. Webchat support. If you need quick answers, the built-in virtual assistant provides instant help with interactive guides and step-by-step walkthroughs directly within the software, making it easier to troubleshoot and learn as you go. If you're on a paid plan, you'll benefit from all the support included in the free plan, plus additional direct assistance options for more personalized support. Alongside automated responses, paid users receive access to advanced web chat support, meaning you can interact with a real agent when necessary, ensuring a smoother and more efficient support experience. You've now learned about the help and support options available in Sage Sole Trader.